In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube video unavailable problem in iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, close this, launch your settings app, enable for the option airplane mode and wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Then click on the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or else what you can do is turn off your router, wait for a few minutes and again restart it. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, clear cache for YouTube. For that, scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube and launch it. Now click on Upload app. Click on Upload app again. Then click on Reinstall app. With these, your problem might be fixed. Now update YouTube to its latest version. For that, close this, launch your app store, search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option of YouTube, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, what you can do is check the server status of YouTube. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. And that's it. These are some fixes for YouTube video unavailable problem in iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.